This is a strengthening question, and we have to suggest the strongest reason to expect that the proposed curriculum will be successful. The conclusion is implicitly stated in the question stem. The conclusion is that the proposed curriculum will be successful in attracting students. The missing link is between all the information presented in the argument and the conclusion that the proposed curriculum will be successful in attracting students. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it strengthens this conclusion. Answer choice A. This answer choice says that producing articles of mass media and understanding their impact on the consumer, these aspects are related to the foundational principles of literary analysis. However, this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding whether producing articles of mass media and understanding their impact on consumer will alleviate the students' concern regarding the course's relevance to contemporary society. So this answer choice does not indicate whether the course will be successful in attracting students. So this answer choice simply adds information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. This answer choice says that knowledge of literary analysis is increasingly important in the contemporary society. However, the argument mentions that the literary analysis elective is not particularly relevant to contemporary society. So this answer choice, which talks about its relevance in contemporary society, this answer choice contradicts the fact mentioned in the argument. Also, this answer choice does not suggest that the new proposed curriculum will be successful in attracting students by convincing the students that the new curriculum would be relevant to contemporary society. So this answer choice simply adds information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. This answer choice says that in contemporary society, production of articles of mass media and understanding of how they impact the consumer is of major importance. So basically this answer choice says that these two aspects, which are the aspects associated with the new curriculum, these two aspects hold importance in contemporary society. If this is so, it indicates that when these aspects are introduced in the curriculum will convince the student that it is relevant to contemporary society and hence will attract students. So this way, this answer choice strengthens the conclusion. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D. This answer choice states that fewer students are interested in literary analysis today as compared to 20 years ago. The argument accounts for this fact when it says that the elective is attracting few students. So this answer choice simply restates the fact in the argument. Also, this answer choice doesn't suggest whether the new proposed curriculum will be successful in attracting students. So this answer choice simply adds information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. This answer choice talks about a guest lecture by an executive at a major mass media publishing firm. If such a lecture is offered, it indicates the possibility that the students may be interested in the curriculum. However, it is also possible that students respond well to the guest lecture but do not actually enroll for this particular course. So this answer choice only marginally strengthens the conclusion. In comparison with answer choice C, this answer choice is not as convincing as the other answer choice. So let's eliminate this answer choice. C is the correct answer choice.